minasan, ohayo gozaimasu. We are waiting in line for parking. This is the first time that this is happening, that we need to wait. I think parking is so full. Maybe there is a, event at the city hall. That's why the parking is so full. And we're waiting here for almost 2 minutes already, and we still cannot enter. Okay, Dukita! Because we have a spot here, very near. Yeah, Dukita yo. Oh guys, what do you think about my makeup for today? It's so bold. I'm trying to make this look because I wanted to film this soon. So yeah, for now I'm trying to make it, if it works or not. I'm just trying to test it out for you all. So I'll see you later, alligator. Hi! We're walking our way outside the parking, and we are at the station. Right, Tweet?
Yeah.
Getting under the,
Mango tree.
Weh, nade mango dire?
Yeah, there's no mango tree. Yeah.
Walk. So, do you want to see an outfit of the day, guys? I will make it for you. You like? What do you think? I'll do a outfit of the day later after we ride on the train. So we need to hustle because the train might arrive. Yeah. So this is my face of the day, and this is, later I will show to you my outfit of the day. So we are under this. It's not a skywalk, it's an underground walk. And there are a lot of Walking Deads. Ooh, oh my gosh, Walking Dead. Yeah, I did not finish watching Walking Dead last night because it's kind of boring.
Alright.
Yeah, I don't know, but I want to see if what's that?
Not that interesting anymore.
Who's that Korean guy? I think he was eaten by all the zombies there. So yeah, I wanted to finish that episode. Later, alligator. Inside the train. We don't know where to go. It's so dark outside. There's a driver inside the train. Hi guys, so we are 4 floors under. This is the 4th floor under subway. Oh my gosh, can you imagine how deep this is? Yeah, we are 4 floors under. Oh my god, how can we escape from here? So what happens if it floods? Dosyo. This is how very architects in Japan is so to the highest level.
Yeah.
Yeah, so this is the station, subway. We're going to Nagoya. Yeah, we're going to Nagoya.
Yeah, we're going to Nagoya station.
Oh my god.
I think she's gonna buy something in there. Maybe.
For my freaking face. Oh my god. Dosyo, if something happened, like for example, there's an earthquake and we are 4 floors under.
All we have to do is wait. Wait for the things to fall down. I don't have to dodge. Yeah. Like the Matrix.
And it's just so amazing. You can still breathe, right?
Yeah.
You still can breathe. You're under, and it's so dark there. Can you see that there? Yeah, I don't know. So we'll just wait. We're just waiting for our train. I'll see you later there at Nagoya. We're back at the surface, guys. We already arrived at Nagoya. It's not too cold, it's not too warm, but it's so gloomy. Yeah. So we're going to pick camera, or are we going to eat first, or what?
Which would you like?
Quick. I don't know. I don't feel so hungry, but it's already, what time is that? 2?
2 p.m.
2:30.
2:30.
There's a clock there.
Should run.
Run? Where? Where do we? Nagoya is different from Sakae. Whoa! Hustle, hustle, hustle! Hustle, hustle, hustle! Hustle, hustle, hustle!
I think we're not gonna make it.
Yan, yan, yan. We can make it! I'm planning to buy this one, Virtual Hero. And also they have drones available where you can mount your Hero GoPro camera. Wow, that is so freaking nice! If you wanna go surfing or something, or you wanna go underwater, oh, that's so exciting, people. Wow, so exciting! Yeah. So these are the accessories for GoPro. Wow, I wanna really have this one. It has 4K video. Oh my god, I cannot believe the price of this drone. I cannot afford this. Oh my gosh. That is so freakingly pricey. Let's just go over here because Ichimang Nanaseng Hapyaku. That one was 39. Oh my god, so pricey. I'm inside the screen, guys. And this is the camera that is working. It's from Sony. Yeah, it looks so cool. Oh my god. So cool. It's for sports. It has a different type of lens and it's from Sony. This is the one that I wanted to get. We wanted to get. Hero 4, Hero 3. That one is
On Hero 4.
Hero 4 has 4K.
Has 4K? Ah, yeah.
Yeah, that one. Hero 4. Oh my gosh. Look at this, guys. Look at the iPhone 5. It's on sale. It's on sale. Originally, iPhone 5S was Hachima. And now it's 7,000 yen only. Oh my god. They have on sale. Oh my god. I cannot believe it. Wow.
iPad Air 5.
iPad, every iPad is on sale and everybody is going crazy because it's on sale. Yes, guys, it's on sale. iPhone 5S is only 29,000 yen. Crazy. Who wants to buy iPhone 5? Let me know. We're out of the chaos. Yeah, we're finding food. The two Joy diha. What about there? There, oh, cafe and bar. Balis.
Cafe and bar. We're not interested in bar.
It's not a... I'm eating this one. You need to try this one, guys. It's a dried up umibushi and it tastes so freaking good. Yeah. I tried my husband to taste it and I did not tell him what this is. And when he put it inside his mouth, he was surprised. But it really tastes good. Yeah. Dried umibushi. It tastes a little sweet, sour, and salty. Wow, it looks so beautiful. So Christmassy. Finally home to the mountains.
Yes.
But it's still early. It's still 6:30 and it's so dark already. But we really had a blast there. We're shilling.
What in here?
Yeah. You're like, she loves you, yeah. We're there. What? We're there. Wasoreta ka. Uchisa ka. Wow. It's so cold. I'm just wearing like this. This is our dinner for tonight. Just shrimp. This big shrimp and with vinegar and coffee soda. Karada ni peace. Peace you. Itadakimasu. Oh, I forgot. We're drinking this again because it's so freaking delish. And the last time I did not have the chance to eat umiboshi inside. So this time I wanted to taste it. Yes. It's called, the brand is called Chu-Hi, but the exact name of this drink is, I don't know. But it's made from sake. And it's sweet. With shrimp and with vinegar. So yeah, let's eat, guys. It's been a while that I haven't eaten shrimp, so I'm kind of excited to eat shrimp tonight. Yeah, I'm dipping this into the vinegar. Yeah, just a simple vinegar and soy sauce. So yeah, let's try our shrimp. Tastes so good. I hope that, you know, I will not have any allergic reaction to this. Like with the crab. Tastes so good. Wanna eat it? Doesn't wanna eat shrimp, so I think I'm gonna eat everything. Yeah, it's so yummers. Oishi yo. Hey guys, so let's do a mini review on what we got today. We did a little shopping and we got some perfumes or something. So I'll just show to you what we got. And it's a little affordable comparing it when you buy perfumes at a boutique, because you know they always put your perfumes or stuff in a very fancy bag, but this time it's not so fancy, but I don't care as long as it's affordable. I don't need to pay extra for that fancy bag, right? So this is a little affordable. And my husband got this I don't know if you are familiar with this perfume. It's called Porch Design Sport for Men, and it smells so freaking good. And it's kind of pricey. It's around, yeah, but it's not as pricey if you will buy this in their actual boutique, right? So yeah. And then I got me this is my first time trying Samurai for women, and I got the Vanity Sweet Boutique scent. It smells so good, and this one only cost, yeah, we've saved. So it's my first time and I really like the scent of this one. Yeah, I'm excited to wear this because what are the perfumes that I have? I had Gucci from Gucci Flora and Dolce & Gabbana's Rose the One and Chloe's Love Story. It was a very expensive perfume compared to this one, but this smells so good. I don't care if it's not as expensive as those perfumes. Yeah, it's very affordable. And then I got me, this is going to be a mini haul, I promise. Very few. Why are you staring at me like that? You're spying on the things that I got, huh? No, I did not get a lot. So I bought 2 Revlon Color Stay foundation because, you know, It's almost Christmas and there will be a lot of people, you know. I have a lot of gigs, I hope, this Christmas. So yeah, I bought a new foundation. It is a very long wearing foundation from Revlon Color Stay, and the one that I got is for the oily skin type. Yeah, they also have dry skin type foundation, and I got my all-time favorite waterproof mascara from Heroine Make. Yeah, this is very cheap from there. It's only 700 yen. Yeah, it's very affordable, and it's so super waterproof. Yeah, and very black. And then I also got a face primer, the very popular Nivea Men Balm Aftershave Balm, which is recommended by Nikki Tutorials. I wanted to try this one because she said that it is a very good primer, and it's very affordable, very inexpensive. And I saw Kathleen Lights do a review on this one too, and she said this was better than her compared to her very expensive primer. So yeah, I'm so excited to try this on me and also with my clients. So yeah, let's hope that this works. Pretty much excited. Oh my gosh, this is so freaking fancy, guys. Can you see it? So my husband tries to open his new perfume. Wow, it looks so fancy. Oh my gosh. And then yeah, everything looks so fancy, and look how it looks from the inside. This is the actual container of that perfume. It's called Porsche Sports. It's made from Germany, and it's so fancy looking. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, and it smells so freaking good. Oh my gosh. I think the container alone looks very inexpensive already. Wow, that's how. Oh yeah, let's try. Wait. So how's the smell? Try smelling it. My nose, I'm drunk already. I cannot smell anything.
Projection is strong.
Did you smell it?
Yeah.
I did not smell it.
Projection is strong, so strong.
Oh yeah, oh my gosh. I can smell it, but my nose is so weak right now because I finished that chuya. But it's so, oh my gosh. Girls, wives, if you want a Christmas gift for your hubbies or for your boyfriends, I totally recommend this one from Porsche Design Sports for Men. It's made from Germany. Oh my gosh, so freaking. So by the way, this is Dolce & Gabbana, the one for men. It looks so fancy too. It's made of, like, it has a woody top lid in here, and this one really smells so freaking good. So if you want to spend more money on perfume, you better try to get this one from Dolce & Gabbana, the one. Projection of this one and this one too from Porsche is really amazing. Like 50 meters away you can smell your man. So exaggerated, yeah, but it smells so freaking good. This is so sexy. This is more of a sweet scent, and this one is more for the summer, or summer, yeah, it's appropriate for the summer because it's more of the sporty side. And the Dolce & Gabbana, the one is more on the nighttime date. So this is mine from Samurai Women. Wow, the packaging really looks so cute, guys. It's so cute from the inside. So men, guys, if you want to, you know, give presents to your girlfriends or your wives, yeah, this is a good one. Christmas present on Christmas. It's from Samurai Women, and it smells so. They have 4 varieties on this one, and this is my favorite scent. Out of all the 4 scents, this is the best for me. But yeah, I like that one from Givenchy too. It smells so good, but I will buy it next time because if I buy it all, I'll be broke the next day. So it's time to say goodnight again, guys, and another day has ended, and yeah, I really had a great time, and I think that Choya starts to kick on me already, so I need to say goodnight now. And so I wish everybody safety and good health as always, and may God bless us all as always. And thank you. I just wanted to say thank you for giving your time and watching my vlogs. Thank you so much, guys. And yeah, I need to say goodnight now, and remember to be nice, be kind, and that smile. I'll see you in my next vlog, guys. Peace.